I just want to talk about watch out for these internet souls. It's a reason why they stay on the internet. It's a reason why they don't unite with anybody. Internet souls, they're a distraction. Yeah, all them souls on social media. All them souls on social media keeping everybody distracted with irrelevant information, cool information, but irrelevant to our present moment, nature. You feel me? Up to the level with our vibration with the universe. So beware of these internet souls because they will, you know, enable you to get attached to them. You feel me? They will distract you from your path. You feel me? Distract your intuition. Distract you from what's really important. They gonna feed you all and every information that they don't even know is truth. But feed it to you like it's truth. Like I had to dip out because this spiritual social media shit is it's fucking hilarious and sad. And it's sad because it's tricking a lot of people. It's creating a lot of delusions. Your world is your own world. Your truth is your own truth. There's one universe truth. And that only correlates to certain things. We got the universal structure. And then we got us, the temple. You got your own. You're a creator. You're God. God is. So do not let anybody tell you what you should be doing, what's best for you, what you shall be doing. Only you know. When you go within and get in tune with yourself, rise yourself to that peak level, only you will know. Only you can get answers for yourself. Within yourself, through the universe. That's truth. Y'all still go off of he say, she say. That's crazy. How we live off a world of spiritualness, of he say, she say. Not the real metaphysical natures and structures, that point to truth. Those individuals who y'all see just like talking, you'll notice they might, raise some popularity on social media, but you'll see they still talking. No progress. They taking y'all's energy, but no progress. No progress with their lives other than the success they see into getting attention. See, then they act like they better than everybody because they and don't want to talk because they even them want to hide. It's crazy because you got the ones that want to talk to you that of lower vibrations, and then you got the other ones that don't want to talk to you because they are faking it. Shit crazy. Get the best of both worlds, right? I'm in the third world. Fifth world if you want to be technical. But yeah, if y'all gonna get some advice from somebody, make sure you fill them out. Make sure you're not just agreeing upon. Make sure this individual has spiritual experience. You feel me? On that higher level, not going through shit. A lot of these individuals are going through heavy karmic shit still. It has not. hopped over to the other side of completion or restoration, or lifting the veil. So if you have not went into solitude yet, and I'm talking about pure solitude, I'm not talking about being around people, being in the city. I'm talking about pure solitude with nature. If you haven't gotten that experience alone with yourself, why are you going to others? How can you know what's clear information? How can you know what is coming to you purely? How can you know? Because you can't. It's impossible. So don't try to skip ahead. Don't try to ditch the line. Make sure y'all go through the experiences the universe, is leading you towards. No matter the darkness. You gotta take off that hoodie. You gotta lose some weight.